What is going on, everyone? Thank you all so much for tuning back into the channel. It really means a lot to me and my brother. And today's video is going to be a bit of a different video. I'm not really going to focus on explaining the NASDAQ to you guys today. So if you guys were looking for that, you guys could just feel free to click off right now. But today's video, I did want to focus more on emotions because I found myself after I had another red day, as you guys can tell from the thumbnail, a little hefty red day, like over $70. I did really find myself getting very emotional, and I definitely hit like a low today, emotionally wise, because I have just really been struggling recently, and just trading, there's no other way to put it, just very horrible and sloppy. I would say I'm not even like following what's the smart thing to do. I'm not following what is in my best interest in terms of just following the patterns. Like today, I have no idea why I didn't right around here after the market opened up take a play on SQs, right? If you look at the 5-day, 5-minute, I just want to show you briefly why. It has consistently, the NASDAQ, been hitting the top VWAP, being unable to pass it and selling off. And today, literally was basically no different leading into the market open here. Pushes up to the top VWAP. And I don't know why I am not looking for an SQ's play up here. Like, I genuinely just don't know. Maybe the market has been just switching sides very aggressively and everything like that. I didn't want to take a trade the first 15 minutes when the market was open, but it is clearly a smart thing to do to try to get into SQs and follow this pattern that's just been continuously repeating itself, right? Today I didn't do that. There's no other way to put it. My trading was horrific. It was sloppy. I'm not following anything that I should be following, the smart thing to do. And yeah, like I said, I definitely hit a low point today. I was very angry at myself, and I was talking to my brother after I had the red day. I was just literally just flat out embarrassed to even honestly film this video for you guys, because you guys come to this channel aiming to look at how to become a bit of a better trader, right? And obviously, like, how can I tell myself that I'm gonna film a video for you guys and show you that when I don't even have the results to speak, right? Just being real. And my brother just reminded me that the reason we started this channel was because we just want to be like just really transparent and real with all of you traders out there, because we know trading, especially day trading every day and being consistent, is something that's pretty difficult to do. And I don't know if a lot of you out there are also trying this and can relate to what I'm feeling right now, but yeah, I have not been feeling good all day today. And me and my brother follow traders. If you guys are into the trading community, I'm sure you've heard of Ricky Gutierrez. He's the person that me and him learned from. And we even got his course called LPP. And just seeing him every day is very inspirational, right? He's been killing it. It is super rare for him to have a red day. I want to say it's almost impossible now. He's up like over 170K this week. Today he was up over $20,000 again. And it can definitely be very frustrating, right? When I'm having so much trouble being consistent, but then I see that there are other people that it's almost impossible for them to not be consistent, right? They are green every single day, and it can be a little deflating and things like that, but I just always remind myself it's a big inspiration to see people like that, because that's where I want to be in the future. And people like that have so much experience and more time they put into this market than I have, so I shouldn't be impatient or anything like that. And on top of that, me and my brother would definitely probably have called day trading. We would have called trying to make it a long time ago, because it's very hard, like I told you. But it's the fact that we do see these people, multiple people you can find that are consistent, super consistent, and just knowing the fact that it's possible is very inspiring, motivational. That's honestly like the reason why we keep going, is because we know it's possible. But yeah, I just wanted to make a video today being real with you guys and just talking about emotions. And I definitely have to remind myself days like today that I'm for sure never going to give up trading, right? I find so much value in it, and I need to remind myself not to just be so down on myself, or you guys, if you've also been struggling recently. to not be so down on yourselves, because it's just a matter of perspective, and you need to realize that if I do plan to be trading for the rest of my life, basically, I can't let a day like today or even a bad week or 2 weeks dictate my whole kind of outlook on trading, right? Because this is only one day out of the next thousand, hundreds of thousands, that I'm gonna have in trading. So why am I putting so much emotion and emphasis on this one day, right? I agree with you guys. It can be very, very deflating and just hard to not get emotional, right? If you're consistently being read, but let today just be a reminder for you guys, me telling you this, that you should never be so down on yourself. It's only going to make trading that much harder. And on top of that, just always remind yourself big picture. Like, don't let one day, like I just said, influence one day out of the next thousand, hundreds of thousands you're going to have, right? Don't let this one day be such a big influence on yourself. It's okay to be kind of disappointed in yourself and just know you could do better, but don't keep beating yourself up, because that is just not going to help at all, right? And another point I want to bring up in today's video is how important it is to, if you are trying to day trade, either to start practicing paper trading, which I'm even considering doing again tomorrow just because I've been so red, or if you're not going to want to do that and you do want to trade real money, just make sure, if you can, obviously, if you're not too busy with school or anything, that try and have another source of income so you're not just relying on trading, right? Because days like today could be that much worse if I didn't have another income. As you guys know, sometimes I tell you I cut off my time trading because I have to go to work, so unfortunately I'm not able to trade longer. Like today was another example of that, but it helps so much to have another source of income, because as much as it sucks having these red days, my brother and I, our account is still growing even with all these red days, right? There was a period of time where, because of school and everything like that, we were not working or anything. So when we were trading real money, I can tell you from personal experience that the red days definitely hurt that much more, right? Because you feel so helpless seeing your account with all these red days just constantly being drained. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know it could be that much better for yourself trading, just emotionally wise, and it'll put you more at ease if you do have a source of income, because like I just said, your account could still be growing, right? Even with these red days you're having, until I can prove to myself, or you guys can prove to yourselves, that you are able to be more consistent and more profitable, and then actually scale with more money and start putting more money on the line. But yeah, I just wanted to leave you guys off with that note pretty much. Just wanted to be real with you guys. It's been a struggle today for me mentally, but I am definitely excited to keep coming back at it tomorrow, because like I said, I will never give up trading. There's so many benefits I see to it, which me and my brother will probably make in another video, just explaining the benefits. I feel like when people really kind of see and understand why trading is so valuable, I think it will literally blow their minds too, which is probably why any of you guys stumbled upon this channel, and maybe you guys have also started trading because you realize how just cool it can be, and on top of that, just very financially rewarding, right? It's just one of the very few professions I know of that has no cap. Basically, what you put in is what you're gonna get out. You're never gonna limit yourself to a certain type of salary or anything like that, because with trading, it can be absolutely ridiculous with how much money you're making if you just do your part in doing it right and scaling right. Because like I just told you guys, Ricky Gutierrez, trade on YouTube, he's up over $170,000 just this week, and that obviously would be a dream salary for anyone, even like in a year or two. So definitely a lot of value in that, and I just wanted to be real with you guys today. Didn't really feel like there was any need to go over the Nasdaq with you. It's just gonna be me explaining pretty much the same type of thing, way I've been explaining the past few days or weeks or months, if you guys check out the video. So I'll definitely be back at it tomorrow explaining to you guys, but because I felt so emotional today, I just thought it'd be right to just be real with you guys, and hopefully any of you guys out there watching this can definitely relate and find it somewhat refreshing, seeing that there is someone else out there that's struggling, right? Not everyone is just killing it, like I always say. So yeah, today's video a little shorter. I just want to make it short and sweet and talk about more of the emotions that come with trading and what I was experiencing today. But yeah, I want to leave you guys on that note. Thank you guys all so much for tuning back in. Like I said, it means the world to me. Here's my here are my trades for the day. As you guys can see from the thumbnail, down right around $72. And here are all my fills if you guys wanted to, if you were curious in any way and wanted to look at that yourself. Alright guys, thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Take care.